Hello everyone. Today I am here with my topic file handling. So, what is file handling? A file in itself is a bunch stored on some storage device like hard disk, thumb drive, etc. Next question is why do we need file handling? Till now, we had the concept that we first write the program, then execute it, and we get our output, and we get satisfied. But once we had closed the ideally, the data, the output that it had would vanish out. That was temporary. So for this, we had file handling. It will store the data. Data files are of two types: text file and binary files. Text file stores the information in the form of ASCII or Unicode characters, and each line is terminated with a special character known as EOL, end of line character. In Python, by default, this EOL character is the new line character. Text file are of two types: regular text file and delimited text file. Regular text file store the text in the same form as typed, and in delimited text file, the specific character is stored to separate the values. A tab character is used to separate the values which are called TSV files, and a comma is used to separate the values which are called comma separated values. Binary files store information in the form of a stream bytes, and it contains information in the same format in which the information is held in memory. Binary files are faster than the text file. Binary files are not in human readable form. Let's now look on the working of the files. In data file handling through the Python, the first thing that you do is open the file, new or pre-existing file. Then you will read it or write to the file, and in the end you will close that file. File opening is done using open function as it is given here. Student.txt is the file and fobg is the file object. What is file object? File object is a reference to a file on disk. It opens and make it available for a number of different tasks. In the above statement, file will open in read mode because R is given as mode, and in the lower statement the file will open in write mode. Because of W given as mode. In the given statement, file will open student.txt that is stored in folder D my files in write mode because of W given as mode, and attaches it to the file object, namely fobj. Thing to notice that in our file open statement, the file path contains double slashes in place of single slash. If we have to avoid that double slash, we use raw string there. The prefix "r" in front of a string makes it drawstring. That means there is no special meaning attached to any character. Let's now look at the different modes of file opening in text file. R is for read only. It is the default mode and file must exist already, otherwise Python raises error. W is the write only. If the file does not exist, file will create. And if the file exists, Python will translocate existing data and overwrite in the file. A is the append. File is in write only mode. If the file exists, the data in the file is re-attained and new data being written will be appended to the end. In R plus and W plus mode, both reading and writing operation can take place. In R plus, file must exist, otherwise error exists, and W plus, file is created if does not exist. If the file exists, file is translocated. And in A plus, both reading and writing operation can take place. File is created if does not exist. If file exists, file existing data is retained, new data is appended. Both reading and operation can take place. Means write only. File if does not exist, file will create it, and if the file existed, previous file will be overwritten in the file, so this mode must be used with caution. AB means append. File is in write only mode. If the file exists, the data in the file is retained and new data being written will be appended to the end. If the file does not exist, Python will create a new file. R plus B or RB plus is read and write. File must exist, otherwise error is raised. Both reading and writing operation can take place. And in W plus B or WB plus write and read mode, file is created if the file does not exist. If the file exists, file is transcribed, that is past data is lost. Both reading and writing operations can take place. And in the last, A plus B or AB plus write and read. File is created if it does not exist. If file exists, file existing data is retained. New data is appended. Both reading and writing operation can take place there. So this was the introduction of file handling. I hope you all have understood it. So thank you.